I've been doing macro photography with different dedicated macro lens I've got one TT Artisan 40mm macro lens, that is the cheapest one. I've got one 50mm Sony macro lens, but magnification is maximum is 1:1. Then I bought another one which is Laowa 2x macro lens. That become my everyday macro lens for indoor and outdoor. But now I wanted to buy one Laowa 25mm macro lens. This Laowa 25mm macro lens gives 5 times magnification, but for very tiny subject like very tiny spider or some very tiny insects, it is very difficult to get a very clear picture even with 2x magnification. So I decided to buy one Laowa 25mm macro lens which gives 5 times magnification. Before I buy that one, I borrowed one from my friend. You can see this is a very thin 25mm Laowa macro lens fitted on my Sony A7riii. I wanted to have a practice for several days using this macro lens and see its performance for tiny subjects. I know that depth of field will be very shallow, very shallow, because it's 5 times magnification. It has got f-stop of 16, maximum 16. So I will try to get some depth of field at very high aperture value. In that case, I must use one flash. This one is Godox 350S, and this is the radiant diffuser for this photography setup. This one is DIY radiant diffuser. I made it myself. I'll give the link below on the making process of this radiant diffuser. If you want, you can do it yourself. It's very simple, very easy to make. And also, I have uploaded its dimension in my Google Drive. So if you want to have a dimension of this radiant diffuser, please comment below for the dimensions of all my diffuser system I have uploaded in Google Drive. I'll send you the link. Today I'll be using a very small, very tiny spider in this box. I placed this one on these beautiful green leaves so that I can have a very good background of the spider photo shoot. The main purpose of this, make a decision for myself about this Laowa 25mm lens, and also I want to share with you on the performance of this. I will show you the pictures I have taken today at the end of this video. Now I am going to start taking pictures of this spider on these beautiful green leaves. Let me put the spider over here. I'll be using focus picking for precise focusing on the eyes. Let me take some pictures. I'm going to change the angle a little bit. I'm taking several pictures in different angle and different directions, and as it is working on the green leaves, I had to do constant moving the camera as well as this wheel for changing the direction. I'll show you the picture at the end of this video after editing in Lightroom. I'm sure I would not require any very extensive editing because pictures are coming out very sharp. Right at this moment, I'm happy with the picture quality I'm getting with this Laowa 25mm 5x macro lens. I've taken enough pictures. I transfer all the pictures in the Lightroom and crop it for better composition and show you at the end of the video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, stay connected for my upcoming projects. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.